how to edit the checkout page for your Shopify store. So I'm logged into my Shopify account here, and from the admin page, we want to click on settings in the bottom left corner. Then we will go to checkout here, and you will see an option to customize checkout by clicking on this button. So this will take us to the website editor, and here is what our checkout page will look like. Now, what can we change here? So first we can add a logo here. So we can select an image from our PC, or we can explore images. We can also change the color scheme of our checkout page here. So for example, if I do blue here, to show me the background, and we can also change the text color as well. So this is how you change the color scheme here. So what else can I do here? So I can change the font itself. So if I click on change, then I can select from the fonts which are given to me here. So for example, if I select this one, I click on select, then save, this will change the font on my website, as you can see. Now, what else can we do? We can change the layout here. So page width, we can change the animations. So hover effect, we can add a hover effect here to our checkout. So vertical lift, if I click on save here, then it will pop up once somebody hovers over it. And what else can we do? We can add all of these other options. Basically, you will customize this to your liking. We can also change the card type. We can do pop-up notification, drawer, or page. So this is how you edit the checkout page for your Shopify store. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.